Hi students, welcome to Nellai Nadar Voice YouTube channel. Students, next topic energy and power in electrical circuit. Okay, last class we discussed about the carbon resistor and the temperature dependence of resistivity. Okay, so today's class we are going to discuss energy and power in electrical circuit. When a battery is connected between the ends of the conductor, a current is established. Okay, when the current is established in a conductor, when a battery is connected between the ends of a conductor, a current is established. The battery is transporting energy to the device which is connected in the circuit. Okay, so this is a circuit diagram. So when the battery is connected means the battery is transporting energy to the device which is connected in the circuit. Here consider a circuit in which a battery of voltage V is connected to the resistor. Okay, here this is a battery, it has a potential difference V. This battery is connected to the resistor, that is CD, it has a resistance R. Assume that a positive charge of dq moves from point A to B through the battery and moves from point C to D through the resistor and back to a point A. Okay, so in this the battery is connected to the resistors means here the small amount of charge, that is dq, moves from the point A to B and it is also crossing through the resistor C to D. Here that charge is returned back to the point A. When the charge moves from point A to B, it gains potential energy. That potential energy is calculated by using the formula of du is equal to V into dq. Okay, the small amount of charge dq is moves through the circuit when the voltage V is applied. So the electric potential, so the potential energy is calculated du is equal to V into dq, and the chemical potential energy of the battery decreases by the same amount. Okay, so when the battery is connected to the circuit means here the charge gain the potential energy is du is equal to V into dq. That same amount of charge, that is the same amount of chemical potential energy of the battery decreases in a battery. So when this charge dq passes through the resistor, it loses the potential energy du is equal to V into dq due to the collisions with atom in the resistor and again reaches a point A. Okay students, so that energy is passing through the resistor, it is losses in the resistor, because here due to the collisions of atoms in the resistor, here it is losses the potential energy. This process occurred continuously till the battery is connected in the circuit. Okay, continuously the battery supply the energy to the charges. Here that energy is losses in the resistor due to the collisions with the atom in the resistor. So the rate at which the charge loses its electrical potential energy in the resistor can be calculated. So the electric power P is the rate at which the electrical potential energy is delivered. Okay, what is the power of the battery? The power of the battery means the electrical power P is the rate at which the electrical potential energy is delivered. So the rate at which the electrical potential energy delivered means is calculated by using the formula of P is equal to du divided by dt. Du divided by dt. Students, note this formula. The power P is equal to du divided by dt. So already you know the values of the du. What is the values of the du? Du is equal to V into dq. So that is d divided by dt into V into dq. In next step it can be written as V into dq divided by dt. Since the electric current is calculated by using the formula of rate of flow of charge. So I is equal to dq divided by dt. So it can be written as P is equal to V into, what is the values of the dq divided by dt? That is I. So P is equal to V into I. So the product of the potential difference and the current, it is give the values of the power. So this expression gives the power delivered by the battery to any electrical system, where I is the current passing through it and V is the potential difference across it. The SI unit of electric power is watt. Okay, so 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. That is 1 watt is equal to 1 joule second inverse. Commercially, the electrical bulb used in house come with the power and the voltage rating of 5 watts 220 volt, 30 watts 220 volt, 60 watts 220 volt. It is also mentioned in a bulb. You can see that. Okay, this is a 30 watts bulb, this is a 60 watt bulb. That is also mentioned in the bulb. Thank you, students.